This is You Can Change Vegan. Hello, today I've got a really easy recipe for you. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it before, because in Australia it's really popular. Today we're making this zucchini slice, which is full of veggies, plant protein and is gluten-free. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. Now let's make it. The measurements are in the description. Start with chickpea flour, then season with salt, pepper and chili powder. Give it a quick mix. Now we make the batter by adding water and oil. Stir together until a batter is formed, like this. Now we prepare the veggies. We've got onion, red capsicum or pepper, and zucchinis. Dice the onions, then add them in. Dice the red capsicum for some colour, then add it in as well. Then grate the zucchini on the largest holes of a box grater, and in it goes. Mix everything together until your mixture looks something like this. Line or grease your baking tray, and then pour the mixture in. Bake in the preheated oven for 50 minutes to 1 hour until golden brown on top and firm to touch. Simply add some chips and salad to make it a nice meal. Thanks for watching, and thanks to everyone who's been commenting. I really enjoy reading and replying to all of them. Also, a big thank you to all of my subscribers. Why not watch another one of my vegan recipe videos? They're linked above.